Good morning to all the children and parents. Children, today we are going to read a new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Pancake, from the book Pancake. So children, please open page number 7 of your book. Children, listen to me very carefully and pay attention to the pronunciations and pauses. Try to read with expression. So now, let us read the lesson. The pancake. A big fat cook made a big fat pancake. Near the cook were 7 hungry little boys. We like big round pancakes, Mr. Cook, said all the little boys. This pancake will be good to eat, said Mr. Cook. But the pancake in the pan said, I will not be eaten. So the big round pancake gave a hop. The pancake gave a jump, and off he rolled out of the pan. Mr. Pancake rolled round and round and round. And oh, so very fast. Stop, Mr. Pancake, said the cook. So children, you can see the cook and 7 little boys in the picture. Now turn the page to page number 8. But the pancake rolled faster and faster. Then the big fat cook began to run after the pancake. Children, you can see in the picture the cook is running after the pancake. Stop, said all the little boys. But the pancake rolled faster and faster. Then all the little boys began to run. The pancake met a little man. Stop, pancake, stop. I am hungry. I wish to eat you, said the little man. The cook cannot stop me. The boys cannot stop me. You cannot stop me. and the pancake rolled faster and faster. Then the little man began to run. Children, you can see the little man and the pancake in the picture. Now turn the page to page number 10. The pancake met a hen. Stop, pancake, stop. I am very hungry. I wish to eat you, said the hen. The cook cannot stop me. The boys cannot stop me. The man cannot stop me. You cannot stop me. And the pancake rolled faster than ever. Then the hen began to run. Children, you can see a hen and the pancake in the picture. The pancake met a duck. Stop, pancake, stop. I am very, very hungry. I wish to eat you, said the duck. So children, you can see a duck and the pancake in the picture. The cook cannot stop me. The boys cannot stop me. The man cannot stop me. The hen cannot stop me. You cannot stop me. And the pancake rolled faster and faster. So children, turn the page to page number 12. The pancake met a pig. Why do you run so fast? Said the pig. Can you not see? The cook, the boys, the man, the hen, and the duck wish to eat me. That is too bad. I will run with you, said the pig. Children, you can see the pig is running with the pancake. So, the pig and the pancake went on and on and on. They came to a wide pond. I cannot swim, said the pancake. I can swim, said the pig. Jump upon my nose and I will take you across. So the pancake jumped upon the pig's nose. The pig gave a big grunt and snip, snap, he ate up the big round pancake. Yes, the pig ate up every bit. So children, you can see in the last picture the pig eating the pancake. Children, I hope you enjoyed reading this lesson. With this, we come to an end of this interactive session. Thank you.